All Are Welcome by Alexandra Penfold is a beautifully illustrated picture book that spreads a simple, yet powerful message of inclusivity, diversity, and kindness. The book, which is geared towards young children, celebrates the many ways that people from different backgrounds, cultures, and experiences come together in harmony. Through vibrant illustrations and rhythmic text, the story presents a vision of a world where all individuals are welcomed and accepted, no matter their appearance, beliefs, or differences. In today's world, where division and intolerance often dominate the headlines, All Are Welcome offers a refreshing and hopeful perspective. It encourages readers to embrace the beauty of diversity, teaching children the importance of empathy, respect, and understanding. The book has been widely praised for its message and its ability to introduce young readers to complex concepts in an approachable and enjoyable way. Setting the stage, the school as a microcosm of the world. The story unfolds in a school setting, which serves as a perfect microcosm for the world at large. From the very first page, the reader is introduced to a vibrant classroom filled with children from diverse backgrounds. The school is a place where differences are not only accepted but celebrated. Each page of the book reveals students of various ethnicities, abilities, and family structures, all learning, growing, and playing together. The setting is essential to the narrative because it represents the ideal world that the book aspires to, a world where people from all walks of life can coexist peacefully and support one another. The school serves as a place where children are free to be themselves, and where they are encouraged to express their unique qualities without fear of judgment or discrimination. In this inclusive environment, every child is made to feel valued and respected. The power of diversity and inclusion. One of the core themes of All Are Welcome is the celebration of diversity. The book is filled with illustrations that depict children of different races, ethnicities, and backgrounds. There are children wearing hijabs, others with natural curls, and still others with different skin tones and abilities. These illustrations are not just a reflection of reality. They are a reminder that diversity is not something to be feared or overlooked, but something to be embraced and celebrated. The diversity in the classroom is not just visual. It extends to the backgrounds, cultures, and languages of the children. The book emphasizes that these differences are what make each individual special. The children in the story speak different languages, celebrate different holidays, and practice different traditions, but they all share the same basic need for love, respect, and friendship. By showcasing the richness of cultural diversity, the book teaches children the importance of empathy and understanding. It shows that differences in appearance, background, and beliefs do not divide us. They connect us and make our world a more interesting and beautiful place. This message is especially important in a world where children are increasingly encountering people from different cultures and backgrounds. Community and friendship. All Are Welcome highlights the importance of community and friendship in the classroom and beyond. As the children go about their day at school, they engage in activities that foster collaboration and mutual support. Whether they are working on a group project, sharing snacks, or helping each other with homework, the children are consistently shown working together and supporting one another. The book demonstrates that friendship is not about being the same as others, but about recognizing and respecting the unique qualities that each person brings to the table. The children in the story come from different homes, with different family structures and experiences, yet they all find common ground in their shared humanity. They are united by their shared experiences of learning, growing, and discovering the world around them. The concept of community extends beyond the classroom as well. The book shows that the bonds of friendship and support extend into the wider world, where people from all walks of life can come together to create a more inclusive and loving society. This message is especially important for young readers, as it encourages them to value the relationships they have with others and to understand the importance of building inclusive communities. Kindness and respect for all. Kindness and respect are central to the story of All Are Welcome. The children in the story treat one another with care and consideration, recognizing that each person deserves to be treated with dignity. The book emphasizes the idea that kindness is not just something we do for our friends or those who are like us. It is something we extend to everyone, regardless of their background or differences. The story is filled with examples of kindness, from the students sharing their ideas and experiences to the teachers encouraging each child to be their authentic selves. This model of behavior shows children that kindness is a powerful tool for creating a welcoming and inclusive environment. The book teaches that when we are kind to others, we not only make them feel valued, but we also contribute to the creation of a better, more harmonious world. The role of teachers and adults. Teachers and adults play an important role in creating an environment where children feel safe, supported, and valued. In All Are Welcome, the teachers are shown as supportive figures who not only guide the children in their learning, but also encourage them to respect one another's differences. The teachers are depicted as actively fostering an atmosphere of inclusivity, where every child's voice is heard and respected. The adults in the story model behaviors of respect, kindness, and empathy, demonstrating to the children that these are values worth cultivating. By showing adults who prioritize inclusivity and respect, the book provides children with positive role models who help shape their understanding of what it means to be a kind, compassionate, and welcoming person. The teachers also provide a sense of stability and security in the children's lives, helping them to feel confident in their ability to navigate the world. This aspect of the book highlights the important role that educators play in shaping the next generation and creating a more inclusive society. Embracing the future, a world of possibilities. All Are Welcome offers a hopeful vision of the future. The story closes with a powerful message that highlights the endless possibilities that lie ahead when we embrace diversity and inclusion. The children in the story are not only learning academic subjects, but also learning how to build a better world through kindness, respect, and empathy. The final pages of the book suggest that the school, and by extension the world, can be a place where everyone belongs. The children are shown dreaming big and imagining all the things they can achieve together. This vision of a future where diversity is celebrated and everyone is treated with respect is a hopeful and inspiring one, reminding readers that they have the power to make the world a better place. Final thoughts, a celebration of humanity. In conclusion, All Are Welcome by Alexandra Penfold is a beautiful and heartwarming celebration of diversity, inclusion, and kindness. Through its engaging illustrations and rhythmic text, the book teaches children valuable lessons about empathy, respect, and the importance of building inclusive communities. It provides a powerful reminder that we are all unique and that our differences should be celebrated, not feared. This book is an excellent resource for parents, teachers, and caregivers who want to instill values of inclusivity and kindness in young readers. Its message is timeless, and its call for a more welcoming and compassionate world is one that resonates deeply in today's society. Through its simple yet profound narrative, All Are Welcome encourages children to embrace the beauty of diversity and to understand that, no matter where we come from or who we are, we all deserve to feel welcome, valued, and respected. Stay tuned for more enlightening content. Head over to www.mybookssummary.com. Don't forget to subscribe and share the magic with friends. And let's grow together through the power of books and interesting stories.